Are we going to pretend that email isn't one of the most reliable communication platforms that outweighs other marketing channels over the years? With over 4 billion email users, businesses today cannot afford not to leverage email marketing. With social platforms constantly changing, email marketing has stood the test of time for its agility as a solid marketing channel. I am Elesha Jacobs of Innovative Solutions, and I help service providers leverage technology through systems and automation so that they can build a sustainable business online. In this video, I'm going to teach you how email marketing can help you as a service provider build stronger relationships without depending on social media. Depending on social media to build relationships and even to build brand loyalty can be a fickle thing, because today, tomorrow, if the social platform decides to have a blackout or go down for a couple of hours, how are you going to actually communicate directly with your customers and, more importantly, those prospects? That is why it's very important for you as a business owner and being the marketer inside of your business. You want to ensure that you are able to build a list that is off of social media, a list that you own, and you are providing value constantly. All right, now once you have that email list, like many other business owners, they're able to still communicate with their audience even if social media decides not to work today. And so sending email creates a direct and a personal line of communication between you and your contact list, making it the best to strengthen relationships with your leads and customers at every stage of your customer life cycle. And here's what I want you to remember. Before you start to get the most out of your email marketing campaigns, it's important to align it with your business goals as well as the preferences or your audience, what it is they want to hear from you. If you're providing value based on a subject matter or your expertise, how are you going to align your email marketing campaigns to meet the needs of your audience? Now, to develop strong relationships with customers, businesses must learn to view them as individual human beings, meaning that every individual has unique needs, concerns, and preferences. In fact, is what customers today have come to expect and demand from online businesses. Because everything has become digitalized in the past 2 to 3 years, customers are requiring business to be more personalized with their communication, and email marketing is no exception. Now, here are 3 things I want you to consider when it comes to building relationships through email marketing. The first thing I want you to do is to build and maintain a healthy list of customers and leads that have given you permission to hear from you directly. In this way, you are showcasing your expertise through your content. You are curating content designed specifically for those people who have decided to opt in to your email list. You want to ensure that you are treating them as individual. You're speaking to their needs, their unique needs, and you are providing value. You want to also ensure that you're maintaining a healthy list by every once in a while, depending on your frequency, if it's weekly, monthly, quarterly, or even yearly, scrubbing your list, ensuring that your list is healthy. You don't have cold subscriber, your bounce rate is at a very low rate, and you're looking at spam and being confirmed to the email marketing rules and regulations. Providing valuable content is another great way to build relationships. And for a lot of us as business owners who are marketers and who are managing everything in our business, this is where the bottleneck meets for a lot of business owners. So much effort is given in providing value on social media that even when we get people into our email list, we don't know what to send. And so a great way for you to think when it comes to providing valuable content is creating content pillars. Create content pillars that are around your expertise. Write those topics that you want to discuss in length, whether it's through video that you're going to be curating for your email list, or a blog style, or whatever type of content style that you are deciding to go with. Write out those topics and send those as value added content. This is called value added content because, one, you're showcasing your expertise, but you're also speaking to your audience based on their needs, based on their preferences, and also based on why it is they actually opt into your email list. And so it's very important for you to build those relationships so that you are able to create what is called brand loyalty through email. It's not enough to send emails out without careful planning and strategy. So think how you will use email marketing to build these stronger relationships with providing valued content. In this video, I shared 3 ways you can start building those relationships that foster brand loyalty. In the description below, you can join our 5-day email marketing challenge and learn how to develop an email marketing strategy that is aligned with your business goals and objectives so you can build relationships and create brand loyalty.